diving into the magic of autumn as a family, decorating for Halloween in a way that celebrates the beauty of the season and brings us all together. This time of the year is so special. It's a chance to slow down, go outside and be inspired by all the colors and textures that make fall feel so alive. We're learning to see the details in nature, the deep veins on a leaf, the subtle tones in a pumpkin skin, and appreciating the little moments that come with each season. We took some time to choose our pumpkins, each one with its own unique shape and character, perfect for painting and bringing a little Halloween spirit into our home.
And the biggest.
finally, here's the big reveal. Our home at night. Just a little spooky, but warm and inviting. A place where our family's creativity and love for the season shines through. We hope this inspires you to embrace the beauty of the season, to go outside, create, and make memories with the people you love. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you next time.